Welcome to Chapter 3, Series Sorting, Ranking, and Uniqueness. We'll get started by reading in the score column of the movie data set and putting the title in the index. And then we're going to sort this, rank it, and get its unique values. So the sort value method, and before I get there are two sort methods in Pandas. If you just start typing in SO, press tab, you can sort by the values or you can sort by the index. Most methods just use the values, but this one, there's one specific for the index over here for sorting. We'll look at that later. First, we're going to look at sort values. By default, this goes from least to greatest, so the lowest ranked movie to the highest ranked movie. And then you can sort it in the opposite direction. Of course, you should think, well, how should I do this? Well, I need to press Shift Tab Tab. I need to choose a parameter that changes the outcome. Over here, we see ascending. By default, it is true, but we can set it to false, and that will sort it in the opposite direction. Now, some series have missing values, so let's get the duration, and we can do this column. You can see there's missing values, and if we sort this, by default, the missing values will go at the end, but you can put the NA position, and if you press Shift Tab Tab, you see that. By default, it is last, and we can change it to first. That's the only other value it can be, and I'll place them up here. So this is an easy way to get all the missing values at the top. You can do this, just so you can move all the missing values to the top and quickly find them. All right, so that's sorting the values. Now you can sort by the index. The series never changes itself, right? So sort values doesn't work in place by default. You have to assign it to a new variable, the result, in order to get that. But let's go ahead and do sort index. So this will sort in alphabetical order the index over here like this. Now, you have to know a little bit about Unicode. That's how it sorts. So every character has a Unicode number. Basically, every character has an integer representation. You can find this integer representation with the ORD built-in function. So you can take this and, for instance, the number sign is 35. This is a pretty low Unicode. This is lower than character 1, which is lower than capital A, which is lower than lowercase a. So that's why the lowercase letters, any movie that starts with a lowercase letter comes at the end. You have this weird character AE, and this is actually much higher, Unicode number 198. So this is not part of, the normal alphabetical, English alphabet. All right, so that's sort index. Use Unicode code point, and then the next thing to do here is it also has this ascending. We can do it in the opposite direction like that. All right, so pretty simple for sorting a series. You're mainly just going to use ascending. That's the main parameter you're going to use to control the direction.